Hello everyone, welcome back to another travel vlog. Today we are in a very beautiful spot, and along this beautiful Lee Valley walk you can see there's a canal going, and this is called the Lee Valley Canal. It's very long, and on the side you can see there's like a way for you to go and walk alongside this river, a canal. You have many residential flats and houses along the side, and this is an old building. I haven't seen an old building before. In this area you can see there's like new developments and houses. And this is a submarine. I haven't seen a submarine before as well, so it's something very surprising. In London, I present to you the submarine. You have many other boats along this canal. Very old boats. It's like parked here. We came here for a walk and it's very nice. Walking along this canal. That's the door to the submarine, and it goes underwater. I don't know if it's active right now, but it's very cool to see this in London, in central London you can say. So here people cycles, and also they have cars. It's kind of a walk from the main road, so there's no direct access to the bus nearby, but it isn't too far. If you were to find a bus stop, it's not too far away. Walking along this beautiful canal, far ahead you can see a bridge, and there's bus going by. Now we're going down the bridge. The sun is about to set and the weather looks very nice. So these are like street art, and it's all along this place, even on the bridge, on the sidewalk, everywhere. There's a doll over there. Very unexpected. So this evening walk is getting more interesting. Oh, there's a face as well, Amor. Can you see the face? Very unique. Now we're going to be touring this bridge. So this is the second bridge we're getting on, and we're going to tour to show you how this bridge looks. Well, far ahead you can see the skyscrapers. It looks very beautiful. So far ahead you have many skyscrapers and also a train going right like on that bridge. And over there, that's Stratford. You can see the red design. And you also have the Olympic Park next to that design. So alongside this canal you can see there's many boats, and this is actually like a residential boat, so people live here. It's quite interesting to see so many colorful boats. A very peaceful day today. Quite surprised to see someone fishing in this canal. Occasionally you do see some people, so it's very interesting to see. Look what we found. We found another submarine. Very interesting. This looks more like a submarine with that top window. Hope you're enjoying watching this submarine very up close. Hope you enjoyed this evening walk with me. Thank you for watching.